This will be the elevator at JCPenney, Westmoreland Mall, Greensburg, Pennsylvania. There's a Schindler RT. GAL interlock, but here's the cab view. Pretty typical JCPenney elevator. This one reminds me a lot of the one at Richland Mall, cab-wise, but it's RT instead of MT. Let's hear the motor. All right, take it back down to LL. There's your certificate and your ADA compliant phone. Schindler. Their RT buttons. Your Jolt. We'll have this back up on the second floor. Door closes does not work. And here we go. All right. And there it goes. Any day now. And that'll be it.